Previously on Cooking with Keandogg.
Keen, as your friend, don't eat the deodorant.
Eat the deodorant.
Cooking with Keandogg, cooking with the Keandogg, cooking with Keandogg.
Oh, no.
Dude, hurry up. I don't have a lot of
Okay,
time.
explain the cards, Keen. Explain them.
So, this is the Sun and Moon pack. Sun and Moon. Pokemon card. And here are the copyright infringements. 2017
Stop,
Pokemon.
open the fucking cards.
1995.
I don't have time for this.
Imagine we actually get a GX. That'll be fucking nuts.
Okay, I'm gonna have to do it sideways.
Okay, oh my god.
Okay.
Yeah, open that shit,
Ooh.
fucking.
Oh yeah!
The code for
Damn,
the
miss
my
my
Code. That's the code.
We have the
No
rare,
fucking way. Are you
The
actually
rare-
kidding me?
the rare Panzaman,
To Seminanian.
You're joking.
What is that? What is
Oh
it?
my god.
Oh my god, I got the
Keen,
rare.
what is it? What was
The
it?
legendary. I got the legendary. Wow.
What was it, Keen?
Good condition! And good condition!
Legendary. Wow. I'll put this on eBay.
It was Lorantis.
Oh my god! Energy ball! Energy ball! This is the big dollar. Bucks. This is the dollar. I'm gonna be rich.
Damn, son.
Oh my god, Pikachu,
Damn.
you got an energy card. That's like the rarest card. That's the
Damn,
rarest card.
damn.
Chew it up.
Wait, are you eating a card?
It's better than the lettuce. Oh. Better than the lettuce.
End the video there.
Cooking with Keandogg, cooking with the Keandogg, cooking with Keandogg.